to my channel. My name is Deepa and this is Divine Tarot by Deepa Sri. Yes, so finally today I am making one of the important videos, yes, that all have been waiting for. How did I, Deepa, achieve a sexual union, and also the tips and tricks that will help you achieve a sexual union. Like I spoke about, it is very important after you do your 5D physical union, like acknowledging the channeling, that okay, if for example I spoke about when we had did his very strong his martial art lessons. For me it was very traumatizing. I would feel a lot of leg pains, and when he used to do this boxing practice and all of that, I used to feel a lot of pain near my knuckles and all of that. It is slowly forming this connection, and let me tell you, I achieved this connection till I would say 2021. Okay, so like this, I am talking about the next step of this, which is we are talking about sexual union. So let me tell you, it takes its own sweet time for every person, for every story. Yes. So what is sexual union in twin flames? Okay. So I spoke about in one of my videos that I did the penance of Lalita, goddess Lalita. So automatically it happened to me. So actually my mom used to do this Lalita Sahasranam, and I felt channeled that I was in this hunt zone to looking out for what is the god that I need to do. Yes, and for me Vishnu came later. Yes, so I started Lalita Sahasranamavali, and let me tell you what is the avatar of goddess Lalita. I was waiting to tell that in this video. So she represents Kameshwari, Kam as in sex, yeah, Kameshwari. And this counterpart to this, Lord Shiva takes the avatar of Kameshwar. Yes? So gods have been doing this. It's all that we need to open our eyes wide open to see this channeling or see this. Yes? So to acknowledge this, all of this. So I started this, Lalita Sahasranam. And let me tell you, for me, and let me tell you, sexual union is something you feel this craving, this unknown craving, this masturbating for each other, and this sexual arousal and all of that. Yes, so it's a very natural process because you are the actual divine counterpart, or the yin to the yang and the black to the white and all of that. So this is the avatar thing which I'm talking about. Yes, so the Kameshwari. So unknowingly I was doing this. Yeah, this also helped in forming a disconnect with the karmic. Yeah, when I was doing this. Yeah, my twin started realizing my, essence. Okay. So now I'm going to talk about three things actually. Okay. So the first thing I want to talk about is, did you meet your twin flame? Did you have sex with your twin flame? Did you physically touch each other? Is there some form of essence of you, divine feminine, that has gone in this person? Yes, right? So everything is based on how much work you have done in your previous life. For example, I have seen that for water signs who are on twin flame journey, like for example, me, I am Scorpion and Mr. V is Cancerian. Water signs, I also know few more water signs that sex happened naturally between them in twin flames who are water signs especially. Yes, so I have seen it has automatically happened. Yes, and let me tell you, having sex with your twin flame doesn't mean your sexual union is easy, you will achieve faster, nothing. Everybody are going to take our own sweet time. Maybe your sexual union will be faster if you didn't have sex with your twin flame. There are different things. What is, did you meet your twin flame? I'm trying to here categorize and speak to a common crowd. Yeah, did you meet your twin flame? Question one. Did you have physically meet? Did you maybe touch hands or any form of your essence need to go? Like if there is a movie called Magadira in our Telugu, yes, and I do not know what is the name in Hindi, yes. So there it talks about hand touch, the importance of hand touch, and I do not believe that only sex will get you your sexual union, but yes, it will be easier, little bit easier. Okay, and next thing is sex with your twin flame. Okay, so we are trying to tap into three things. Okay, it is going to be hardest for the person who didn't even meet their twin flame yet, but they are in Parvati life, let me tell you. So there is some karmic blockage which in your past life has carried forward for you to clear physical union with your twin flame. Yes, to achieve that. Then the middle category comes, you have met your twin flame, you have exchanged energy, you have maybe hugged, you have maybe shaken hands. Yes, the easiest for my clan who have had sex with your twin flame. Why I'm telling this is I'm going to talk about it. Okay, so now comes the three aspects. Let us talk about in which category do you fall. All the three will achieve sexual union at their own sweet time, at their own timeline. And let me tell you, it is a process. You will achieve sexual union when both of you have done it. I always speak about that. It is not enough if just divine feminine is breaking her head. Even divine masculine need to, reciprocate. Yes, I always speak about that. It is a 50 and 50 partnership. This is because your soul is broken into exactly 50. Yes. So now comes for the people who have not, let's go by step. Okay. So first, for the people who didn't even meet that twin flame yet, but have a doubt or you found out maybe through online, through this is true for some people I have seen, maybe through Zoom calls, through something in you triggered that okay, maybe you have doing long distance, you have never met but you have seen each other, that God has given you signs that this person is your twin flame. What do you do? Firstly, my suggestion to you is to manifest a physical meet. You need very strong to work on your solar plexus chakra. Yes, because you need a little bit of reality to come in. See, eventually, let me tell you, this is a process. So from not, you haven't even met your twin flame, you at least need to fall in the category of number 2 of at least meeting your twin flame, maybe just for a coffee or just for hi hello or anything. If you guys are in 2 different cities, at least coming and meeting. Yes, this is very important. You guys have to follow or fall in this. Yes, please never manifest sex with your twin flame. It is a process of naturally it needs to happen. It needs to come in like it's a very natural process because Lord Shiva and Parvati are uniting. Yes, it's a very natural process. Yes, so there is a karmic blockage which you need to clear, which needs to put you in the number 2 category of let me tell you, whenever we interact with our twin, for example, after I interacted with my twin, I went to meet him 3 months later. So it is a process. Yes, so channel and it will take its own sweet time. Don't force it. So my suggestion to you people who have not yet met your twin flame but are very sure about him being the twin flame, are trying to channel in this Jupiter and Sun, which is starting from May 14, when Jupiter and Sun conjuncts, it strongly talks about a star ancestors, conjunction. So my suggestion to you would be to channel this energy to take the help of God, choose any of XYZ, prayer or anything, very strongly solar plexus chakra, because you're trying to manifest a reality that it happens in 3D, that you and your twin meet each other. Yes, you have to fall in the category 2 of meeting your twin flame. Okay, so now coming in the second category of meeting your twin flame. Okay, why I'm telling this is divine feminine, you represent an essence, a smell for your divine masculine, aura, this thirst for you has to start, that craving of you. Okay, so for my twin flames who didn't meet their twin yet or didn't physically meet, your person is definitely feeling that through your pictures, through maybe if you have an online presence, your social media and all of that, this craving. But it is very stronger, I think you're getting my point, it is very stronger when you fall in the number 2 category of meeting your twin flame. Yes, so when you have met, so your aura has dragged your person to come and meet you, or vice versa, both the ways. You have met each other. Okay, you have met each other. So divine feminine, there is a specific, you ask your divine masculine, he will acknowledge and he will confirm. There is a very specific essence in you that your person, there is this smell or this. I spoke about a dream which I had where we was trying to search me through the flower called as Sampenga Puvu. Puvu is called in Telugu. Okay, Puvu is a flower in Telugu. Sampenga Yeah. So this is very specifically known to attract snakes. No wonder I have a, let me tell you, in this journey, after I've seen this white snake, I feel like, I feel like how Lord Shiva and how Lord Vishnu have a connection with snakes, with Vasuki and Seshnag. Seshnag was used to, do the manthan of the, you know, the churning of the river, the samudar, like, your ocean, sea. Yes, that was done to, to churn. And this mountain that was used is now also there in Orissa. Yes, it's there. Like, it has the marks of the snake also. Yes, so I feel a very strong connection to somehow snakes. Now I understand why we were searching me with that smell everywhere. I was right there, but he's searching for me desperately. So I understood that we divine feminines emit a smell, an essence. I'm telling you this very specifically because my Nag Devta snake, which I have in my own farmhouse, my snake pit, that snake, whenever it comes out, it has a very, very beautiful fragrance. And I and my mom feel that very strongly. So there is a fragrance, there is an essence in you, there is a smell. And if you are a perfume enthusiast, you understand that. Yes, there is a smell that comes from you. It's your odor, it's your aura, it's your, very specific. When you meet your twin flame, your person catches this, your smell, your essence, your how you are. Yes, and that is what drags towards you. Yes, we are talking about sexual union. Obviously, I'm going to talk about all this. Okay, why this is so important? Your person has, when he meets you, this aura, this smell, this essence is stuck in him. Okay, and for my folks who has had sex with your twin, your essence is completely gone inside this man's aura, in his body, in his soul. Okay, the other part, it's very, very easy because this kundalini has awakened and formed and achieved its completion. For my folks on sex, who had sex with their twin flame. Okay, so number two, people can also eventually achieve this. Yes, sex with your twin flame. And let me tell you, the twin flame sex is the most magical, the most beautiful, the most, like, you feel like you are seeing all the galaxies, all the cosmic energies. I cannot describe it. It is the best feeling in the world. Yes, in the entire universe. Yeah. So this particular feeling, yes, so your yoni is activated. That is what exactly we worship in, Mahakamkaya. Yes, that is exactly that, wherein she bleeds in the month of June. Yes, so very specifically, I'm talking here about 3 sets. So which set do you fall? Yeah, so this essence is very important. It goes in your twin. It can be even a simple hand touch. Yes, I always believe that sex is not everything. Okay, but it is simpler. So if you had sex with your twin flame, it talks a lot about, you cleared a lot in the past life. You don't have a little blockage. All of us will eventually go to that sexual union. Yes, so it becomes easier. You're getting my point, right? Yeah. So during this process, why this is very important, I'm telling you. If your person has met you, yeah, and gone towards the karmic, then it is that smell and that essence that has already ignited or stuck to your divine masculine. So no matter if he's with the karmic, it's always this craving that takes him back to the thought of the divine feminine that is always dragging him. It's like this red thread that is always haunting him. It is like, why am I thinking so much about this girl? Obviously, eventually he will find out you are the twin. That is why he's feeling this way. Yes. So if you are asking me if you have reached this video, your person definitely knows you are the twin. Okay. Or wait for any video to come to you second time for a double confirmation. My video, this video to come to you second time in any form of timeline. Yes. So yeah. So if your person has trying to connect sexually to a karmic, it will never happen. Yeah, like it can be at that moment that he's enjoying, but he is doing imagining you because your essence is very strongly within, deeply rooted in this person. And when your twin tells you, yes, and this is when I think, because when your twin is trying to connect with the karmic, you will very specifically feel that he's doing with this person but imagining you. It is all on that essence, that smell. This is what I have decoded. That is the dream that I had, where God was helping me on how to make this video, wherein Mr. V was sitting on a bike with his friends. And when I was going by, I wanted to test this guy. So I covered myself in the scarf and I was going. And the minute he felt this Sampenga Puvu, oh my God, that is the most beautiful smells in the world. Yes, that the smell of that flower. And he's searching for me. So this was God's help for me to make this video of this essence, this smell that is within you. Yes, you are igniting, you are emitting this smell, and your person is craving for this smell coming towards you. It's like, have you seen this movie called as Perfume? Yeah, I want you to watch it. It's a movie called as Perfume, wherein this man makes perfume with, he kidnaps girls and he makes perfume with their hair, with their body, because he wants to make this beautiful fragrance. Yeah, so watch this movie. You will understand what I'm trying to tell you. The power of, if you're a perfume enthusiast, you understand. Yeah, so everybody have a specific smell. For example, I am a hypnotic Dior person. If I have to talk about, smells, I use that a lot. My hypnotic Dior is my signature Miss Deepa smell. Yes, like that. My sister really loves, YSL Black Opium. Whenever I go near her, she's smelling Black Opium. Yeah, my sister smells that, like she smells of that a lot. Her clothes and everything smells of that. Like that, all of us have a specific smell. What is your smell? So that is emitting, and that is the channel and the, which is driving this, your divine masculine. So when a divine masculine is trying to connect with the karmic and all of that, he's like, no, this is not this. This is not this. It's not like her. And let me tell you, when your person is in this trauma and this, retrospection, he's also thinking that you must have done something. And this happens a lot, wherein your divine masculines doubt that you have done some form of black magic or done some form of spell work. But it takes this man some time that, no, this is a godly connection, it's a soul connection. I am feeling this naturally without any external influence. Yes, for this, let me tell you, for him to feel this smell strongly, strongly. And let me tell you, no matter the years, no matter the separation, no matter everything, this person will know your smell. Yes, your essence. Yeah. So it's very important for a particular karmic cycle to end. I was in it. Yes, and it retrospected back from the year 2020. Yes, I was in that for the entire 2019 in a karmic cycle with the karmic, where my twin was like, I don't think we both remembered each other so specifically. And I acknowledge that because, your twin has to finish a particular karmic cycle for him to retrospect back to that smell or what happened in my case, very specifically in 2018. Your mind needs to light. It is called as an epiphany. Yeah, wherein your mind is lighting back to the meet when you guys had. Yes, when you met. For my people who did not manifest physical meet, let me tell you, it is your job to retrospect to your past life. That is why I'm telling about the Jupiter and Sun coming in May 14. That is the help that I will give you. Yes, channel back in your past life. Obviously, all of us have a past life. Yes, how can you have to retrospect and bring back into reality. Is it challenging? Yes, but it cannot be achieved? No, it's not a mission impossible. Yes, so all of us, if God has chosen you, there is some form of clearance which there was stuck, decided by Saturn, very specifically, that you need to clear. Yes, so do that clearance. Okay, so this essence which is deeply rooted in your divine masculine will come to you eventually. Can it not be achieved? No, it does need work. Yes, so this essence in your person is what drives him to have the sexual union. This essence is what is making him masturbate so much. And let me tell you, let that cycle finish. And let me tell you, please, God, Goddesses, Lord Shiva, Parvati have taken an avatar of Kameshwar and Kameshwari, which is nothing but Lalita. Kameshwari is nothing but Lalita. Please, do not follow others who tell this is a very specific spiritual journey. No, please. Let your twin in. Let him come to you. Let him, find out. Let that hunger be done first. And I tell that very specifically. So let this hunger be done. and let that craving be done. Let his stomach be satisfied. Like, understand, when you're very hungry, you want food very soon. So it's equally in sexual hunger. So let that be done. Let that cycle be done. And then comes the phase of wherein, like, for example, I want to describe sexual union. If I have to describe sexual union, how does it feel to be sexual union with your twin? It feels like he's deeply rooted within you. There is a difference between inner union and sexual union. Okay, first you have to achieve sexual union to complete inner union. That my folks who are telling no, don't masturbate for your twin and all of that, please do not fall in this. I never fell in this. I always was like, my twin is coming towards me, so I'm going to acknowledge it. Yes, so you do have flashes wherein you remember karmic is there, your person had sex with karmic and all of this, but it is again a work you need to do to forgive and forget, all obviously. So I'm going to give you a little bit tip on how I forgave my twin. So I really sat, and I think I spoke to two of my psychic friends, and very specifically, obviously this is not something I can talk to my mother, but I was very specifically, how do I forgive this man? How do I let go of what this man has with this karmic? How? So for me, I tuned my brain. Yes, I tuned my brain that, if I put it like, he married the karmic and, he broke with her and then came to me. Yeah, if then it didn't make much pain to me. It didn't make, that is why in my case, for me, I think every one of us need to find that common point wherein you can forgive your twin, till you don't forgive your twin sexually. Like, you're okay sexually. Will you always forget? No. Will you forgive completely? No. But you have to tune your mind. It's all on brain programming, like my mom tells. It's all on brain programming. But your heart will take time. Yes. But you can tune your mind, your brain programming. If that thought is coming, just, shoo it off. Bring something else. Yeah. Because it is a past and it is something that cannot be erased, cannot be changed. It has happened. Yes, that is what I will tell my folks who are on third party, whose twin is married and then coming towards you for the union. It's okay. I think the best story for this is the J-Lo and Ben Affleck. Yeah, they have engaged, broken up, again gone towards other people, and J-Lo has spoken about this so much that she always craved Ben Affleck. It is this essence. And let me tell you, it's very specifically from divine feminine to divine masculine. For divine masculine, more than essence, I would tell it is that, he being Lord Shiva is the craving. Yeah. So I am telling you that after you see more changes in your twin, he's finally awakening, he's finally, opening up his eyes that, this karmic is not what it seems like, and all of this, I've made mistakes. And let me tell you, a man in repentance, in a hermit mode, is the most beautiful man, the most handsome man, who retrospects, who understands his mistakes. And that is what is driving this man to have more sexual connection, do more sexual, like, arousing for you, and all of that. He's talking you and all. Please let it happen. Let it free flow. He's coming towards you only, right? Yeah. But obviously you need to be a little bit strict, that you need to, change. You need to fully awaken. You need to understand my worth and all of that as Parvati. But I think eventually, step by step, all of us reach there. Yes. So, do I understand V's worth? Like, he's so knowledgeable. He learned everything. Like, sincere student. He has changed so much. And not only me, the entire world can see the change. Yes. So let it free flow. It did take its time. For me, it didn't happen in one day. Let me tell you, it is not a fast process. It is on both of us on when we are ready. A sexual union is achieved when both have, fully awakened Kundalini and form the union, the yoni in the yoni. Yes. Yeah. So that's, what I wanted to say. Okay. So sexual union, how can all of us achieve? You had sex with your twin, you met your twin, and all of that. It's all entirely your root chakra. I think that was a very specific year. I was working on my root chakra. And, in fact, my Kundalini got activated with my twin. Yes. So root chakra, for me, it came to me like a spark. And let me tell you, there is my past life as well, because I lost virginity to my twin in my past life. Yes. So it came like a spark to me. Yes. So all of us have a different story. Yes, so to me, to for the entire set, my channeling or my energy would be all of us need to work on our root chakra. And for the people who are manifesting correct, meeting their twin, very specifically also solar plexus chakra, because you're tapping into the sun card and you want the reality. Yeah, so that's about, so I think I've covered majorly everything related to sexual union. So all of us, my advice to you is, do not block it, because that is what is driving your person towards you. Yes, and to achieve inner union, the sexual union needs to be completed. Yes, yeah. And one more energy which I specifically feel is, all of us need to do our root chakra, very strong Mars energy, Mars and Venus energy. And let me tell you, your Mars converts to Jupiter. Your Mars is the boyfriend, and Jupiter it converts. There is a difference between your boyfriend and the husband. You ask a man, he will tell you. Yes, so that is that change. Yes, so I think I've conveyed that. Yeah, this is what it is. So if you met your twin flame, go back to the meet, retrospect. I think this is God trying to tell you. Yes, how can you achieve sexual union? Is give it its own timeline. And I think I've achieved sexual union very specifically in 2022 and start of 2023. Yes, for me it happened very fast. My story picked up very fast, because I was very obedient to my soul mission. Also, to add on to that, I was very obedient towards my soul mission. So do it with full sincerity, because this God has given you this work. Every twin flame here is here to do a God's work, because you have to finish this before you leave earth. Yeah, so I was very sincere towards my soul mission, and it was a channel for my twin to watch my videos to understand what the fuck is this. Yeah, and so I think even following your soul mission and following towards the path of that also helped union. So sexual union, it feels like, no, I think I'm done masturbating. And if I have to terminology, like tell it, define it. If I have to define sexual union, how does it feel like? Sexual union feels like let me put it in the most vague or simplest language. It feels like you're always having sex with your twin flame, like in the 5D, and he's always there. And sex, as in, it doesn't mean that raw sex. I'm talking about making love. It's always within you. It's always like there for you, and you guys are romancing, cuddling. Always union feels like that, wherein you have forgiven what he has done with the karmic and all. I tuned my mind, and at least I tried. I was like, no, if this person is my ultimate, destiny, I want to be happy. I want to forgive him. I want to again fall in love. So I made this effort. Even God gives you this. I think you should put at least let the not the entire world believes in him, but at least you as a twin need to believe. It'll take its own sweet time. I was very angry on my twin. I in fact very lot times scolded him, cursed him, everything. It took its own time. But I made an effort that how can I forgive? How do I tune my mind? How do I tune this mind? Then once mind is tuned, even eventually heart heart takes the longest time. Yeah, so eventually heart also reaches there. So I tune my mind. Okay, let me put it like he's in a third party situation. He was married to this particular karmic, and then he broke up, and eventually it is me. And I, very funnily, let me tell you, I was also researching how do people accept second marriage. I was looking into Shilpa Shetty, I was looking into Kareena Kapoor, everything. Because I'll tell you why I was specifically looking at celebrities. I know people will tell, no, they are, for money and all of that XYZ, but no. If you are making this decision, it means that you are invested, some part at least invested in this. Yes, so I was looking into all these people, how to accept and all that. It was an effort. So yes, so it takes its own sweet time. And I think after 2018, I have achieved sexual union with my twin. I feel very specifically in January 2023, 2022. December 2022, January 2023. And exactly 6-7 months later, during August, September is when I have achieved my inner union, very specifically September. Yes. So sexual union paves the path faster for inner union. Yeah. But to achieve inner union, you will fall down repeatedly. So it's in the next video. Okay. And one more topic that I want to tell is, if you want to achieve any in union, let us not, you need not come to your divine masculine, or divine masculine need not come towards you, divine feminine. both of us have to equal travel to reach a common point known as the union. So in your mind, make a spot. Okay. So for example, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, make a common spot. I'm telling just as an example. You come half distance, let him travel half distance, and let both of you reach this common union. I think that I and we have done. We both of us, okay, fine, this is XYZ, we have done these mistakes, I have done these mistakes, okay, all of us, we are human, we are air to make mistakes, yeah. So let us reach this common point, let us reach to this point, yeah, to this point called as the union. So I think me and we have reached commonly there. It's okay. It's okay. He has done all this. It is okay. I have forgiven, but I haven't forgotten. There is a difference. Yeah. I'm a Scorpion. How can I completely forgive? Yeah. And I think it is okay. I don't let my mind channel it. And obviously, if I've achieved union, yeah, I don't let my mind break my head, think about it. And there is a saying that if you think too much, it manifests. Overthinking, that is why God stops. There's a law of assumption. When you think, it manifests. Like for example, my twin always thought, somebody will come to her in my life, somebody will, take me. It manifests. Yeah. So law of assumption is a very dangerous thing. Yes. So always channel to come to reach to this union, the common point. Let us travel each other, like for example, it's a destiny of 1,000 kilometers. Let us take 500 each. Yeah. So we have to reach her. For this is the tips on how you can make a relationship work. Yeah. And like I say, it's nothing but a business partnership. It's a partnership. It's give and take. Yeah. So that is it, my lovelies. I hope I made sense to you guys and you picked up 1-2 points. And like I said, all of us need to work on our root chakra specifically to reach the sexual union. Yes, very specific red color. Yeah, your sexual union. Okay. So yeah. So if you're watching this video, let me tell you specifically, your person is, really, you're about to, put it out in the universe that if this video reaches the second time to you, it is when you have achieved the sexual union and you will feel it. It's a feeling inside. Yes. And you're always there, like you can hold hands and all of that. It's a beautiful feeling. And I'm going to cover this in inner union. How does it feel after you achieve sexual union and when you go towards inner union? So yes, my lovelies, when I'm making this video, I am also on my periods right now. Yes. So it's a very good energy. I'm trying to really convey the root chakra and the sexual energy, sexual union. So yes, my lovelies, I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Deepa bidding a bye. Bye guys.